This particular road is in the Adenta constituency. As you can see, the roads are not in a good shape. The residents say it leads to a boot down. I'll be speaking to the residents and also drivers, find out what they make of the roads and how it's affecting them as residents of this area.
Our road is very bad. In fact, the roads are not good at all. Sometimes when we take some of the pregnancy women to the hospital, we find it difficult to drive them because the road is not good. So when we drive them, when we go speed, they feel pains in their body.
So when it reach election time, they'll just come and do whatever thing that they like. We are pleading on our MP, Ababia Sama, to come and do the correction over here. If not, this election, we are kicking me out and the MPP family out.
This is another road at the Adenta constituency, and these roads lead to Ashie. And the residents here are really complaining about the nature of the roads. For truck drivers, commercial vehicles passing is in a very deplorable state.
The road is very bad. This is Adenta New Legon, and we have big men in this area. Big men are living here, but still.
When it's time for the assembly people to come for the tax, business operating permit, you will see them coming with their van, but we are not seeing anything, no improvement. Very bad, the road is very bad. This time around, I told my sister here that nobody should come here, that we should, they are coming to tell anything to or convince us that we should come, and then nobody should step here.
This particular road is fairly in a good condition. There are a number of potholes, but I'm also told that parts of the roads here were fixed some few months ago. But so far, this is the state of some of the roads we visited in the Adenta constituency. Most of the residents are complaining. They are saying that their roads are not in a good state, and they are asking governments to come aid them fix their roads.